Hi, welcome to this lecture on the date value function. The date value function converts dates written in text format to a proper Excel date serial number. Let's see our data. Now we have this information here: names, age, sex, offer date, region of particular employees, let's say. Now let's look at the date that we have here. We can see that these dates, some are entered 11/06/19 instead of 2019. Here we have 22/03/19. Here we have 25/1 instead of 25/01. So there are a lot of inconsistencies in this date. Now we need to convert that. That what date value will do for us. Now let's look at the syntax of the date value. Its syntax is a one logic syntax, a one argument syntax. Is equal to date value. You open a bracket and you take the date that is in text format. Now if you check this is in text format. You can see it up here that is in text format, and date do not appear as text. Now let's look at our illustration. So the offer date of the staff in an organization, what do you call it? The offer date of the staff in operations department were all written in text format. I gotta take one and out of this place here. We're all written in text format in an inconsistent order. In order to align these names with the rest of the staff details, we are required to convert the text dates to a proper date format of dd/mm/YYYY. So that is the order. Now we have to format this as dates, as they are formatted this as date. And I come here and I say date value. So when I take date value, the next thing is asking me where is the date text, which is the date written in text. So I hold here, I come to that particular text and I click OK, which is my enter key, and I just copy it down. Now you see all have been converted to the format, which is dd/ms/yy. Now let's look at this. This one was 19, it's now 2019. This one was 1, is now 01. And you can see this one was 13/6/9. It has now been aligned properly. So you have dates that are written in an inconsistent manner, and you need to align them properly to fit into some other dates within your company data. This is what you have to do. Thank you very much for listening. Bye-bye.